Another student viciously killed, unstable uncle detained by the police. Hi again and welcome, this is Stud5nt TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Stud5nt TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Stud5nt TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Stud5nt TV News Report. A 13-year-old student was stabbed to death in Clarendon on Sunday morning in the Miranda housing scheme in the parish. It was the third student to have died violently within less than a week, inclusive of a student of the William Knibb Memorial High School in Trelawney in a dispute and another at Papine High School in St. Andrew during an attempted robbery. The latest student deceased has been identified as Omarion Hanniford, who attended the Kellett High School in Clarendon. His 22-year-old uncle, who is suspected to be of unsound mind, was taken into custody by the police in relation to the killing. The police reported that at around 9:15 a.m., the teen was attacked and stabbed several times by his uncle. The police were summoned and the teen was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. His uncle was detained by the Crofts Hill police who are investigating the matter. Continuing the news. From stone throwing to stabbing, 2 fishermen on murder charge. 2 men have been arrested and charged with the murder following the death of a 45-year-old man who goes by the name Kurt Nemhard, a laborer of Salt Gully Old Harbour in St. Catherine on March the 18th. The accused, 37-year-old Kenroy Brown, otherwise called Pops, and 26-year-old Christopher Jones, otherwise called CJ, were both fishermen of Salt Gully. Reports from the police are that at around 7:30 a.m., Brown, Jones, and Nemhard were involved in an argument when Brown allegedly threw several stones at Nemhard and his house. Nemhard then allegedly attacked him with a machete, chopping Brown in the forehead. The police said that Brown held on to Nemhard while Jones repeatedly inflicted several stab wounds all over his upper body. The police were alerted and Nemhard was transported to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. According to the police, a statement was obtained from an alleged eyewitness and the 2 men, Brown and Jones, were interviewed in the presence of their attorney on March 22nd and subsequently charged. Their court date is to be finalized. This has been Stud5nt TV News Report. Thanks for watching.